before going into the parts, what are the parts inside? So I will tell you the testing part. What did I tell you? Suppose assume this phone is not switching on. Okay, let's assume. So what you will do? So take this first, that is your battery. How many points? 3 points. Okay. So plus and minus, we'll just check the battery with the help of multimeter. Okay. So we'll check with the help of a multimeter. We'll check the battery first. I will just show it to you. I will try to give you the complete idea so that you will also understand. Okay. How to test the battery. Okay. How to check the battery. So in the battery digital multimeter, what you will do, put it on DC volt, 20 volts DC. Okay. So I'm just putting it 20 volt DC. Take your battery. Okay. This is my battery, mobile phone battery. And mobile phone battery, sometimes it will be written on the battery, where is the plus, where is plus and minus. So sometimes it will be written, sometimes it will not be written. So no problem. We can just find it out how to check the battery. Okay. So I'm just it's written here. Okay. Let us marking is given plus here and minus here. Right? Plus and minus. So I have to test my battery. So what we will do? Plus I will put it this side. Plus is red and minus is black. So I'm just putting it. Please remember. You see, it is giving 3.56. So what should be the voltage actually? So I will just check what is written on the battery. It is written 3.7 volt lithium ion, right? And it is almost 3.5, 3.6. The battery is a bit down, but the battery is okay. You are not getting 1 volt. You are getting how much voltage you are getting? You are getting approximately 3.5. That is 3.56 means approximately 6 volt you are getting. Okay. So how to test the battery? The first thing you came to know. Right. So battery is okay. Probably the battery is okay. Okay. Now, next, what you are going to do? You listen carefully. I will remove this thing. I will come to this now. I will come to the mobile phone PCB. Now, my suggestion would be, since you have opened it, clean this PCB properly. Clean it. With what? You will clean. Just I have shown you one part, the brush. Okay. How you will clean it? I will just show it to you. So we are doing the cleaning process. I have taken a brush. This board is to be cleaned. Before, please remember, you have to be very careful with the camera. Don't put liquid on this. So best way, I'm just suggesting you, take a IP, that is isopropyl alcohol. I will put 4 little drops on my brush. Yeah, right. Now, with that brush, slowly and gently, you clean the whole PCB, especially the connectors, and leave the camera. Don't put any liquid on the camera. Especially when should you do this? When your mobile phone drops in a liquid or anything like coffee, tea, or anything else, immediately the first thing what you will do, you will clean the PCB the way I am told giving this. Even backside also you can clean it properly, right? Please remember connector, you have to clean it in this way. If don't clean it that way, okay, this connector especially, you have to clean it this way. Okay. So what are the parts and all? I will just tell you now. So I have connected, I have specially, there is a charging pin over here. This is the charging pin. So that side, you have to clean it properly because the power goes from this connector only. So you have to be very, very careful about that. This is your battery connector and other parts just now. So I have just cleaned it properly. You can use it and let it dry for few minutes. Okay, let it dry for few minutes. Identify the parts inside your mobile phone. Okay, so I will just tell you first. Just now we checked the battery. Battery has 3 terminals, and the voltage came around 3.56. That means they are not suspecting the battery. The battery is okay. Even the battery is not swollen. Swollen means what? If you feel that if you touch it, the surface and all, if it is swollen means usually when it will become bad, it will get swelled. So it's not swollen. Number two. Third, this is the front panel, what we have taken. What are the parts on the front panel? Just we'll check. So here on the front panel, you will find this is your speaker. Okay. So I will just try to show it to you by making a little cross. How does it look? So I will just try to show it to you. This is your speaker. This is your buzzer. Okay. Vibration. For vibration purpose, this is your vibration motor. These are the 2 points for vibration. Suppose in these 2 points, suppose I'm just giving you an idea, you have a little problem with this. So how you will clean it? You will clean it with this brush properly? No, I'll give you a trick. You know what is this? This is a rubber, okay? Pencil rubber. So gently, you just put it on this and rub it on this, okay? Like this, like this. So if it is a smaller, you can rub these 2 points with the help of rubber, pencil rubber. Please remember, it gets clean. So one is this one and the one is speaker. So there is one more part which is called as a ringer, which is there on the board here. You can see here in the corner on the top of your this thing. This is a ringer. So how, if you turn it around, you'll find there are 2 connections over here. This 2 connection. So this is your ringer connection. What is a ringer? Ringer is basically nothing but when the ringtone comes, let it be a polyphonic or mono. It will come from this. Okay. So ringer, speaker, and vibration motor. So how you will check these 2 parts, especially the speaker and the ringer and the vibration motor. So take your this thing only, same like your multimeter ohms range, 200 ohms. I have put it on 200 ohms. Okay, 200 ohms. Now what I will do is I will put it on these 2 ends. That is speaker. I'm testing whether my speaker is working or not. No sound. Suppose just I'm showing it to you since we have opened it. That's why I'm showing it all these things to you. So I will put one end here, one end here. Check. So it is showing how much? 7.2 or round about 8. Okay. 8 ohm speaker or 7.1 ohm speaker. That means my speaker is good. If suppose it's not showing anything, then my speaker has gone bad. So likewise, you have to test. Let's test the ringer. How much it will be showing? Let's see. And the other point will be here, right? So 36. Okay. There is a vibration motor inside. So little resistance is more. So even my vibration motor is working. Okay. Let's check this now. I will remove this. And let's check my ringer. Okay. So what are the points in the ringer? These 2 points are they already soldered. Points are there. Little gap is there. So I will just check in that particular gap. Okay, it is showing 28.2 or approximately 30. All right. So ringer will show you more resistance. Speaker will show you less resistance. But what I came to know, all my 3 parts, ringer, motor, that is this motor, right? Motor, my speaker, and my ringer, all the 3 of them are working. Suppose ringtone is not coming, speaker is not working, So how to check that? Just now I have shown it. Put it on 200 ohms. This is called cold check. Okay. Ohms check we are doing. And we are testing the continuity and the ohms resistance of the components. Got it? Okay. So we have tested battery and these three components. All right.